Good morning, everyone. Early morning. So our case for today is Gore-Tex rhinoplasty with chin augmentation for a male patient. No? So if we're going to do rhinoplasty for male, dapat yan medyo mataas yung radix, no? Yung sa taas sa bridge. Medyo mataas yan and medyo diretso. No? So medyo hindi siya slope, hindi nakaganon. Dahil pag naka-slope, more of pang female. So for male rhinoplasty, for male noses, dapat yan medyo straight, medyo machong dating. No? Matapang yung dating, ika nga, pag male rhinoplasty. So for this case, we'll do Gore-Tex with cartilage on the tip. Then we'll do the alar lift, no? Yung overhang correction. Palagi po natin ginagawa yan for Asians. Kasi kalimitan mga Asians, no? May hanging ila. Yung dito po, yung gilid, nakababa. So we have to lift it. No? Overhang correction ang tawag or alar lift. Then we're going to do alar trimming siguro sa dulo. Depende kung gaano kataas natin malilift yung tip. So after that, we'll be doing chin augmentation. No? Kasi medyo receded. Pag umangat ng ilong, medyo nagkakaroon ng illusion na lalong umiigsi ang baba. So we have to put chin implants, no, para mag-harmonize yung mga previous videos natin, di ba? In-explain ko na dapat mag-harmonize ang face. So ang pang-harmonize diyan is the chin. So I've carved the implant already. Sinip nga natin yan, depende sa kailangan kung gaano kataas. So we will go to the OR, no? While they are preparing, magbe-breakfast tayo. So see you at the OR. Hi, we're done with our procedure for today. Gore-Tex rhinoplasty for male patient. No? So we did Gore-Tex rhino. You can see the tip projection. Ang ganda ng tip projection. So the bridge will depend on the tip. Kung gaano kataas yung tip. So ganun din kataas dapat. No? Doon magbe-base sa height of the tip. So this one, kitang-kita ninyo, for male patients, sabi ko po, kanina, dapat medyo straight and medyo mataas. No? Hindi po siya dapat nakaslope. Kasi yung slope, pang babae po yan. No? So very nice tip. Yung kanya pong butas ng ilong, what they call the almond shape nostrils, na-achieve po natin. Then, yung kanya pong chin augmentation, you can see the mentolabial angle. Ito, yung ganito po, dapat nakalubog. So, you can see, nakalubog po ngayon. Pre-op or before the surgery, naka-recede po yan, nakaganon. So, ngayon, very prominent ang angle. So, meaning, maganda po yung kanyang chin. So, we will see you. I will see him after 6 days. So, kita-kita po uli. Thank you.